Hi there, myself Haripriya. Today I'm going to talk about the interview tips as per an HR guide. Firstly, research thoroughly about the position you are applying to and also about the company you are applying in. And also have a brief idea about the culture and hierarchy of the organization. Read the job description clearly. And also check that your skills are matching to the requirements given in the job description, and also make sure to dress appropriately because the first impressions are the most important. And also talk about the work and teamwork which you are interested to do, and also make sure you should not talk for that excessively long period of time. Make sure to give consent and make sure to answer concise and precisely manner at the time of an interview, and also make sure to put up a better body language and also be confident in what you have been prepared at the time of interview. Make sure to highlight your skills at the time of interview, and also make sure to highlight some of the important points from the resume at the time of interview. And also at the time of interview, when you are not understanding the questions what the recruiter is asking you, you could ask the interviewer to clear about the questions so that you can answer the questions at the right way instead of giving the wrong answers. And that's it. Thank you.